three, my baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see her walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know how.
So hi guys, alam niyo guys, nakapagpasa na kami ng manuscript. And kayo dito waiting na lang kami sa aming graduation. Charot! Charot! Pong!
Ano sa bel?
Condolence, parag-panag na yun.
Abuli-abuli muna tayo. Condolence po.
Salamat po sa libreng kape.
Kopi ko lang. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, dito kami sa e-library, APR. Yes. I'm so busy recently. Recently, I'm so busy. Busy recently. Hi guys!
Paano mag-vlog later? Vlog.
Hanapin lang si Gabi.
Paano entry mo?
Ano entry?
Yung parang, paano ka bumati?
Eat Bulaga!
Paano ka bumati? Tinitigan ko.
Happy birthday! Oh, you're so big! Arms! You're so big too! Ay, okay. Hello, birthday girl! How's your day?
My day is...
It's ours. Ayan, nagsusulat na kami guys. After 10 minutes later. Hala, tulog na naman.
Ay, ganito na lang.
Ano yun? Ano ba yan? Nakilala ako natutulog ng ganyan. Aba, crazy. Ang taos ng ilo.
Now I wanna see y'all on y'all baddest behavior. Give me some sugar. I am your neighbor.
Yeah, tingnan mo. Inulit na naman. Kaya ang dahil kong clip.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Hi, Alex. 4 kids yan.
I wish from now. Mamimiss mo sila.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, sugar. Shake it like a pro. Now all Beyonce's and Lucy Lou's. Shake it, baby dolls. Shake it on the floor. Get on the floor like a Polaroid picture.
Hello, Mayday. Hello guys. Hello guys.
Nasaan ka ngayon?
Dito kami ngayon sa Calixto Cafe, located at Tabang, Ginto, Bulacan. Tama dito, Tabang Mata.
Hindi ko alam.
It's near the Pure Gold Tabang.
It's near in the future.
And in the front of Polymedic. I'm using this headphone.
Ang pangit na hair mo.
Alam mo, umiinom ng milk tea. Hi guys. Insert Zaira.
I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if
Hello guys! So, sa hinaba-haba ng araw, sa ilang buwan, ngayon lang siya ulit nakapag-vlog.
Buwan? Oo, ay naman yung buwan. Guys, wala na akong lipstick. At ito ang gamit ni Zaira. Para gamitin natin yung design. May dala siyang lipstick.
Wait, akala nyo pencil case yan? Hindi, make-up yan.
May charger pa yan.
Makeup yan, pang merienda niya yan. Akala niya pencil case.
May mic daw yung chip niya.
Nagkakamali kayo.
Nagkakamali kayo.
Tapos dito effective na traffic police na kasi may business
Parang di mo. Nagkagigil pa yung mic kasi
Sinamag na ba tayo, sis? Ganda lang.
Anong pwede natin gawin sa...
Tanggalin po tayo ng wellness area and activity area sa part na to para naman po sa mga si Gary Miguel
Babayad po. Sabi niya, kaya ko na yan.
Do it yourself.
Do it yourself. Ara. Kuya, magabay.